Welcome to the channel. If you're coming back, thank you very much. If it's your first time here, thank you very much. This is Max and Car. Well, the mission this year is to get out of the car, going over tips and tricks, help you in your life, in your business to get things done faster. So today we're going to go over a little tip that we learned in the group that I'm part of, Reseller Greatness. So we're going to go to settings. This originally came from Craig in the group. Very helpful. It was a nice talk in between classes / meetings, and there's some great things that you get by being in a group that you just can't get by watching on YouTube. So I highly recommend the group. So you see I went to the search engines, went to settings first. We went to search engines. So one thing that got me a little screwed up in here, so we're going to go to site search, and this is going to make it easier for us to skip some steps to search things we often search. That's how this is best used. So we're going to be using site search, and you see it says to search a specific site or part of Chrome, type its shortcut in the address bar followed by your preferred keyboard shortcut. So this is one of the hang-ups I had, was I didn't know exactly what keyboard shortcut meant. If you see further up, it says keyboard shortcut, and address bar uses keyboard shortcut with shortcuts for search engines and site searches. So let me show you how this applies. So first thing we're going to do is going to open up a new tab. I'm going to go to a site that I just learned about. Looks like it's already there, Emojipedia. Another thing I learned from the group. Again, there's a plethora of knowledge in there. So we're going to search cars. And you see at the address bar, emojipedia.org search query equals cars. I'm going to copy that whole thing. We're going to go back to our settings. And we are going to site search. We're going to add it. We're going to paste it. Oh, let me do it this way so you guys can see. Paste it. And then we're going to take this part out. And you see URL with %S in a place of query. So this is our query, our search term. We're going to replace that with %S. I'm going to make the shortcut PLO just because I think that's easy. Search engine we're going to put in there. I'm just going to paste it, do a quick little adjustment on it, and erase all the stuff on the end. So emojipedia.org, we're going to add that. We're going to open a new tab. We're going to type our search term PLO and then spacebar. You can hit return, enter, any of that. It has to be either a spacebar or a tab. That was the keyboard shortcut that initiates this thing happening. So if you see at the top, we have search emojipedia.org. So this makes the search engine, your address bar, basically the search engine. So you don't have to take the step of going to the site or maybe going another step to go to search bar. It automatically makes the address bar the search bar. So since we're searching Emojipedia, we're going to search sad face. Click on that. Let's see what kind of sad faces we have. You see we have a couple of sad faces, and that's how quick we can get right into our thing and keep moving to the next step. So let's erase these. And then we're going to have another one. So we're going to do eBay. As you guys know, I'm part of eBay. So we're going to search something in here. We're going to search hoodie. Right? Search hoodie. Now, as you see, with this, it's not as simple as the last one was, right? Copy that, and you see we have hoodie right here. We have some other words in between. So when it comes to something like this, we're going to do the same thing as we did before, and we're only going to switch the search term. All right, so we're going to go in here. We copy that. We're going to paste here. We'll look for our search term, which is hoodie. We're going to take all that. out, and we're going to place it with our percentage. Oh, I put shift with that. Percentage S. I'm going to put our shortcut AZ, nice and easy. Search engine, eBay. I'm going to add that. Again, we're going to open up a new bar, AZ. I'm going to use tab this time. You see the same result. Search eBay. And we're going to do for car parts. Hit that, and you see car parts is already in the search engine, and we're starting to look at what we're doing. So this is just a quick, easy step. Get you in a little quicker, a little easier. Use the site searches. Make sure that you use our keyboard shortcuts. This is automatically defaulted to space or tab for me. This was done on a Chrome browser. I was showing the example on a different browser, so I think this works pretty much through all the browsers. You just have to find where you have the search engine, look for site search or something within that. So thank you guys again. Please like and subscribe. Hope we helped you out there. Look forward to more tips and tricks. It won't just be on keyboard and stuff like that. We're going to start expanding to other stuff, so hopefully this helps. If you have any questions or anything you'd like me to search up or help you gain knowledge on, please put it in the comments. And see you again.